Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can see who half swipe your chat in Snapchat. So, in order to see who half swipe your chat, you must have Snapchat Plus. So, actually I don't have Snapchat Plus, but I'll tell you how to do. First of all, you have to open up Snapchat Plus. After opening that, you have to tap on settings, and after tapping on settings, it will provide you an option which look like this. Yeah, after opening the Snapchat Plus settings, you will see an option peek a peek. You just have to on it. After toggle on, now you are able to see when someone half swipe your chat. So peek a peek basically means it is a feature which allows you to see when a friend see your one or group chat. It basically put an eye emoji next to your conversation. In this way, you can judge that a person half swipe your chat and see your one or group chat. So that's all for today. Hope guys do you like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.